Working on the 2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse with the 3.0 V6, and I'm putting the head back on, and I just want to go over the torque specs and sequencing with putting the head bolts back in, and also paying attention to the washers that you're going to reuse if you're not buying new ones, and what those look like when they're set up. So here's the information of how the washer should be laid out with the head bolt. So what that looks like with an actual washer, we're looking for the shoulder, and you can see it's got a little bit of a bevel. So to match the photo, it goes this way, the bevel goes this way. So if you put that into a bolt, the narrower diameter is at the top, and then it widens out towards the base. So then you would just put a little bit of oil, just a little trace of oil there, and a little trace of oil around the shoulder of the washer and the head of the bolt, so that as you're tightening it, it's got a little bit of lubrication to help spin. So these head bolts take an M10 Allen. So I've got a 3/8 drive, but I've got my 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer on there. So these go in like so. When you put them in, just put them in by hand, finger tight. Don't ever use an impact to initially start these by any means. Right? So a little bit of oil on the collar and on the threads. Slide it down. Finger thread it first to make sure you're not cross threading it. And then you can put it in a few turns with the tool. And then just do that with all of them to get them in loose. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 3/8 drive impact on the lowest setting, and I'm just going to drive them in just until I feel tension with all of them. You can go in the sequence of installing the head bolts if you want to, but right now we're just simply getting them ran all the way down because it takes forever to do by hand. So we'll do that with all of them. Alright, so torque sequence and torque spec. Tighten the cylinder head bolts to the specified torque and sequence shown. So 108 plus or minus 5 Newton meters, or 80 foot-pounds plus or minus 4 foot-pounds. So I've got my torque wrench set to 80 foot-pounds, and we're going to do it in this sequence. This one would be the right bank, this would be the left bank, this is the side where the serpentine belt rides on. So our sequence is in this order. It's going to start with 1, which is this one. Oops. Just waiting for it to click. There it goes. Okay, and then just stop. Don't keep cranking on it. And then the second one is right across from it. So we'll just torque them in this exact sequence, and I'll come back. Alright, so they're all torqued 80 foot-pounds in sequence. Next step, loosen all bolts fully. So it doesn't specify which sequence to do in, but typically you go reverse of installation. So we're literally going to take the last one I did and just loosen it fully. Fully. So I'm going to take that and do it in reverse order all the way back through, and I'll come back. Okay, all bolts fully loose. This is bolt 1. You see it's completely loose. So then we'll just repeat the process and go back Retighten the cylinder head bolts to the specified torque and the sequence shown, again to 80 foot-pounds, and then you just leave it. So you can feel it kind of sinking down and a little bit of stretch on the bolts, if you will. They're not torque to yield as far as that stretch is concerned, but because since we're not doing like 90 degrees and things like that, but you can just feel the head gasket seating in better. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so starting back with number 1, goes to 80 foot-pounds. Alright, 80 foot-pounds, and it clicked. Stop, and then just go on back to the rest of the sequence through 8. So it's just to visually show it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. And it's the same thing for the left cylinder, except here are the sequences on it. So basically it's opposite. So this is the left bank, this is the one that, here's the radiator if you're looking at it for this way. So here's a sequence for doing it forward, and it's the same foot-pound. So hope to help you out. Good luck.